How to fix Google Pixel 9a not connecting to Wi-Fi. Fix 1. Restart your device and router. Step 1. Power off your Pixel 9a, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Step 2. Unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Fix 2. Forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Step 1. Go to Settings, Network and Internet. Step 2. Tap the gear icon next to your Wi-Fi network and select Forget. Step 3. Reconnect by selecting the network and entering the password. Fix 3. Reset network settings. Step 1. Navigate to Settings, eSystem, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Note: this will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth pairings. Fix 4. Disable adaptive connectivity and private DNS. Step 1. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Adaptive Connectivity and turn it off. Step 2. Under Private DNS, set it to off.